challenges in their areas of research. This workshop will foster open collaboration between industry and academia, led by Open Power Foundation, Open Power Partners, and IBM to address current challenges and open problems in AI, HPC, and cloud. With this, I'd like to introduce Mr. Dr. Santanu from IIT Jodhpur, who is the director there, and he's going to be sharing and also addressing the audience as a kind of a guest speaker, and then it will go to the main menu of the presentation. Dr. Shantanu, please go ahead and start your talk.
Thank you, Ganesan, for giving me this opportunity to tell about what we are doing at IIT Jodhpur and our research focus and interest, and how it is aligned to the theme of this forum. All of us know it's a very exciting time when we have a combination of big data, IoT, and AI. But possibly today we are at the beginning of the road, and it has just started that, and there are so many opportunities which is opening up, and where we are moving as an IIT, our research ecosystem is strongly connected to this road. In fact, if we look at IoT, the key components of an IoT today are the sensors and the kind of technology innovation which is happening in the space in terms of innovation in the space of material science, in the space of a design of this sensitivity and the application domain, use of various new technologies, including we all know for a while it is microfluidics has come in the space of sensors in a big way, new materials, nanotechnology, as well as variety of MEMS technology and MEMS materials is creating change in the availability of these sensors with which we can build today's IoT system. And in fact, at IIT Jodhpur, an Indian ecosystem, a strong research component is in the space of sensor design. And obviously sensors, as it is not very exciting until unless I have a readout circuitry integrated with it. We work for various compensations, temperature compensations, humidity compensations, and interface processing to it. And when we interface processing to it, actually the entire SoC domain and the SoCs, which are combination of analog and digital, interface with sensors provides actually the appropriate platform for the IoT device. The interesting thing is with the AI coming in on those SoCs provides a different challenge altogether. Typical AI algorithms work on the assumption the distribution of the data with which the machine learning techniques are being built are stationary distributions. But when I have the data coming from a sensor, because of the natural drift in the sensor data, the whole framework of stationary machine learning is no longer valid. Therefore, the new domain of machine learning algorithms, which primarily addresses non-stationary learning, becomes absolutely relevant in the IoT space. And this is exactly where we are looking at in the space of innovation of sensors, as well as the AI algorithms being mapped with reference to processing of the data of the sensors. Because if I can do process of the data at the sensor level with reference to your cloud technology, we have saving in terms of energy, because communication energy cost of communication is much more than computation cost, as well as I ensure even the privacy of the data. I can ensure privacy of the sensed data, particularly when we are looking at maybe a health data and look at a point of care sensors in terms of measurements of health parameters. So I don't need to send across the health data, but I can share the cloud for the purpose of building up the record, the inferences and the assessments which are done by the local AI. The other very interesting thing is that 5G, when it is coming in, with the 5G, with guaranteed latency in communication, in low data bandwidth, low data bandwidth, guaranteed latency communication, ensures real-time in terms of IoT applications over distances. And that itself is actually enhances in terms of other aspects of 5G, say MEC, changes the framework of computing. It is not just, say, if you look at what we are trying to work on is the algorithms with mobile, with vehicular networks, how the algorithms will get mapped onto the MEC framework. And so therefore the processing which starts at the edge, that is at the IoT level, and when it's at the MEC level, how the algorithm shifts. The whole problem of scheduling computation across the communication towers, along with movement of the object, that's a very interesting thing which has emerged today, and we are working on a variety of algorithms in that space. And this is also linked with one of our very a focus area of emerging AR and VR space. And if you look at, say, for example, devices which are coming in AR and VR space like HoloLens, etc., the processing which is happening on device, processing which can happen on MEC, a framework, and processing which can happen on cloud, can very easily create a cooperative, a multi-party virtual space. In fact, these are all enabling technology for the metaverse, which is being talked about. In fact, this is the most exciting aspect of what we are working at IIT Jodhpur, and we think globally also we are moving in, we are very strongly grounded in these areas, which for us, we are talking about AI of things as an initial building up framework. And AI of things connects actually the entire domain of physics, chemistry, sensor design, circuit design, processing to cloud, MEC algorithms, and delivering solutions which are needed for industrial automation, needed for smart agriculture, needed for distributed AR, VR, and all other Industry 4.0 requirements. I think these workshops, various talks which have been designed and are scheduled to be delivered, addresses exactly this interface and intersection. And these intersections where SOC comes with accelerators, typically vector instructions, maybe for deep learning implementations with analog interfaces, as well as computation at a cloud level, opens up new possibilities in hardware design as well as algorithm design. And this is what I shall be excited to know about as this workshop proceeds. Thank you. Again, all the best for this workshop and conference.
Thank you for the wonderful talk, Professor Santanu Chaudhary. Really appreciate your time. And certainly the Open Power, IBM, and all the partners will collaborate with IIT Jodhpur and see how we can, jointly produce some new technologies, in India. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, and really appreciate your, presentation. Thank you.